Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to exchange your Rev Points for money on Revolut. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. And in case you haven't signed up to Revolut yet, you can find a link in the description for a referral code to give you a small bonus as a start. So as you can see, currently right now we are on our main homepage for the Revolut account. All we have to do is go to the bottom right and select on Rev Points. Now, depending on the level of your account, it will show you how much you get for Rev Points depending on each separate point and also how much money you spend. So for me currently it's around $50 for one single point. And then once you do that, you can simply click on redeem. And then from here you can see all the different types of rewards that you can apply from. So from airline miles to gift cards to Revolut Pay, stays, eSIM experience and lounges. You can exchange them with anything you want. So for gift cards it can be the easiest. And so once you have the minimum amount, so for example for me I can click on the Xbox, and then from here I can get around $5 worth of Xbox for the points that I have gotten for free. And that's pretty much it. You can select that for anything else you would like, even stays at hotels and everything else. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.